Hello, this is my airport update of the Portland International Airport. I know I've done a lot of these, but this is actually my hometown airport. So you probably should expect a lot of these if you're new to the channel. So that focus there? Yeah. So, I'd just like to say a few things. I got like a few new airplanes. I got a few new airplanes. I got the Orbis Air airplane. I got the Orbis Air. I got the Orbis Air 2-pack. I'm also getting a dog next week. We're also getting a dog next week. So I'm not going to be posting anything. I might be posting. Maybe like a couple videos of the dog. I don't know. I also got these cool lights a little while back. Just haven't had the time to set them up. They're super bright. Thought they'd be good for the taxiway. So I'll be putting them up after this video. So I guess from now I just put all the airplanes that go to PDX. And there's no time frame for this. And I don't have all the airplanes. I don't have a Condor. I might get a Condor soon. So let's start here at Terminal A. So this Alaska, operated by SkyWest, we'll be heading out to Dallas Love, and came in from Santa Barbara. This Alaska, operated by Horizon, we'll be headed out to Seattle, and we'll be just came in from Seattle. We'll be heading back out there. This Horizon Q-8 Q400 also came in from Seattle a little while ago in the Boise State Broncos livery, and he'll be heading out to let's say Helena, Montana. That isn't a real destination, but it's just felt like doing that. So I know this is a knock air, but this was just a gift that I thought would be nice to put in the airport. So this is Alaska 737 not Horizon, operated by Alaska. Heading out to, let's say, Reno, and came in from Bellingham. American, operated by SkyWest. We will be heading out to Boise. Just came in from Seattle. United, operated by SkyWest. We'll be heading out to Seattle, and we'll be heading out to let's see here. Yeah, we can do let's do Redmond. He came in from Eugene. Alaska 737-800, heading out to... Why does this keep on... So, this Alaska 737-800, we'll be heading out to, let's say Atlanta. Summer seasonal route. Sorry guys, I have a cold. So, Alaska and We Love Portland home delivery. The We Love Portland livery, I invented this livery, and he'll be heading out to Philadelphia. He came in from Philadelphia. He'll be heading out to San Diego. Actually, he'll be heading out to. Where did Alaska go? We're over there. He'll be heading out to, let's say, he'll be heading out to, don't want to spend too, okay, so, he'll be heading out to San Francisco, and he came in from Anchorage. And he's heading out to Honolulu. This guy came in Alaska Airlines 737-800. This guy is 800, 900, 200, 200, 400, 400, E175, E175. Sorry, I was coughing a lot today. So, Virgin America AC-20 with the sharklets. Well, not really Virgin America anymore. It's Alaska AC-20 with the sharklets. Heading out to San Francisco and came in from Los Angeles. So, sorry about that. Southwest 737-8-700 came in from Albuquerque, just arriving from Albuquerque, and we'll be heading out to Oakland. Southwest 737-800 heading out to Las Vegas, and came in from Baltimore. No, let's do Dallas Love. Southwest 737-800 heading out to Phoenix, and came in from Baltimore. Alaska 737-800 heading out to Philadelphia, and came in from San Francisco. Spirit AC-20 came in from Chicago, and will be heading out to Las Vegas. JetBlue AC-20 in the Blueberry's Tail, all wrapped up in blue. Came in from Boston, we'll be heading out to Anchorage later tonight. Alaska 737-800 we'll be heading out to San Diego, and came in from Anchorage. Alaska 737-900 came in from Seattle and will be heading out to JFK. American Airlines and the U.S. Airways Heritage Delivery 757-200 heading out to Charlotte. American 737-800 heading out to Phoenix came in from Chicago. American A319 heading out to Phoenix heading out to Dallas came in from Phoenix. American A321 came from Dallas heading back to Dallas. American A321 heading out to Philadelphia came in from Charlotte. Hawaiian A330-300. This will be the last time the A330 shows up. It's in a PDX airport update. Just need to put this airplane on the stand. And there. So Hawaiian A330-300 heading out to Honolulu. This will be the last time it will be shown in a video. The video. Hawaiian A321 arriving from Honolulu. We'll be heading out to Oahu. No, we'll be heading back. No, we'll be heading into Oahu. So I just like to admire this tail shot. This I'd just like to admire this. I think it's pretty cool. American. Oh, I've already done this one. And United 777-300 just got painted and will be heading out to Painfield to be delivered to United. Air New Zealand just being pushed out of the paint hanger. We'll be heading out to Painfield to be delivered to Air New Zealand. And British Airways 787-900 will be heading is being painted and will be heading to Charleston to be delivered to British Airways. FedEx 777. I know that this isn't realistic, but this guy will be heading out to Anchorage and came in from Memphis. This China Airlines cargo came in from JFK and will be heading out to Anchorage. This Orbis is just collaborating with the KCI. Institute, which is a department of OHSU, which is Oregon Health and Science University. The KCI Institute is a department there, and they're collaborating with Orbis to help even more people, as well as this guy. They both are with Orbis. So they're just going to be here for about a week, and then they're going to be heading out to Haiti. Dreamlifter 747 and LCF came in from Charleston. We'll be heading out to Everett. Well, came in from Everett and he'll be heading out to Charleston. More to Love, Alaska 737-900 will be heading out to. It's just taking off for a flight out to for flight out to Orlando. United 737-900 will be heading out to Newark, came from San Francisco. United A320 in the Stars and Bars livery. We'll be heading out to came in from Newark, and we'll be heading out. Well, came in from Denver, and we'll be heading out to Houston. And Delta has recently started service on A321 PDX, which is pretty good, which is pretty cool. Delta Delta 302, 301. Delta 302, heading out to Minneapolis, A321. Delta 301, A321, came in from Minneapolis and will be heading out to Salt Lake City. Delta 302, heading out to A321, heading out to Minneapolis, came in from Salt Lake City. And Delta E170, heading out to Seattle. Well, came in from Seattle and heading out to Seattle. Delta 757 came in from Seattle. No, came in from. Well, this morning I actually tracked one of these coming in from Seattle, so I'll say that he came in from Seattle and heading out to Atlanta. It's a 757-300. Pretty cool. So Delta 767 heading out to London Heathrow as Flight 36. As Delta Flight 36. Delta 767 heading out to Tokyo Narita. A350. I know this isn't realistic, but I just had an A350, and I just wanted to put it in. And he's going to be heading out to Amsterdam. That's a 900. That is a 300, and I don't really know those two. 757-200, heading out to Reykjavik, Iceland Air in the Heckler Aurora livery. Frontier A320 in the old livery with the Ruby the Raccoon heading out to Austin, came in from Denver, and Spot the Jaguar. Frontier A321 heading out to Cleveland and came in from Denver. Sun Country came in from just arrived from Minneapolis and will be heading back. Well, just arrived from Orlando and they'll be heading out to Minneapolis. So they have this flight on Air Canada A321 heading out to Toronto YYZ, and they have this on the they would usually have this on the E190. So I don't have an E190, so I had to put it on the A321. Summer seasonal service, and I just thought it'd be cool, so put it in. So he just arrived from Vancouver, and he'll be heading out to he'll be heading back out to YYZ in the morning. So last airplane, CRJ-900, Air Canada heading out to heading out to Vancouver, and that's it. That's the update. So just gonna end it here on the Hawaiians. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Sorry, and enjoy the video. Bye.